Hey guys, Brian Klock. You may or may not know, we got flooded, okay? We got flooded 5 years ago in 2019 with 4 feet of water. This time it was about 3 feet of water, okay? Happened on June 20th, okay? So this is an amazing recovery. They're already going back in with sheetrock today, spray foam the insulation, cut out 4 feet, we're on it, okay? But if you've been to our showroom before, you know it doesn't look like this normally, okay? We've ripped out the carpet, changing out the offices. We're getting this thing ready because by the time August 1st rolls around in our pre-Sturgis party, we're gonna be ready for you, okay? What does this mean to you, our Insiders Club, okay? What it means is some of you guys are concerned about Road Glide windshields. Where are we at on things? When am I gonna get the 12-inch back in stock? Tomorrow, period. 12-inch dark smoke, tint, all the variations, 13.5s, they're gonna be back in stock tomorrow. And if you were in the initial, there was probably 40 or 50 orders that the website just kept going, right? Last time, we got you first, okay? You get your windshields without a doubt, okay? Everybody else will be able to order them. Now keep in mind, this is not for dealers. This is for you guys individually to help you or help a buddy who's trying to get the windshield, okay? If you're a dealer, yes, we are also hearing you, and your product has been shipped to Drag Specialties. It's probably sitting on their dock waiting to be intook. That's a horrible job. Received, okay, thanks Shelton. So once they receive those, you guys can access them, okay? So Drag Specialties will have all these parts. They probably already have them, okay? Production is killing it. They are rushing to get things done, okay? Now, what you didn't hear in there was Street Glide, okay? What's going on with the Street Glide? Come with me and I'll show you what's going on with the Street Glide, just because I want you guys to know firsthand. This was where all the magazine boards were. If you've ever been here, our conference room. We are fast. These guys got all the mud off the floor, working on bikes, doing all the things. You can see right here, back there, this is the part where everybody goes, screenshots it, okay? That's the Street Glide windshield, okay? The production, 8-inch and 10-inch are already done, and they're in the process right now. No joke, we will have them to you, okay? If you're thinking about coming to pre-Sturgis, that's where they're gonna launch. August 1st, right here in our shop, Street Glide galore, we're gonna have some cool stuff going on, okay? So you're not gonna wanna miss the party, you're not gonna wanna miss the opportunity. Stay on the list, stay on these emails. It's my best way to contact you. If you want to comment below, if you want to send me a message, send me an email. My personal email is klock@klocked, KLOCKED.com. My last name, Klock, KLOCK. I hear you, I'm trying to help you. My engineers are trying to help you. My production team's trying to help you. My entire sales team's trying to help you. Please give us the grace to get through this mess. But also understand, we are at the distribution center right across the street, got no damage. We are shipping as fast as we can. Everybody dropped whatever they were doing. We're getting the mud, we're getting the mess, we're getting the bikes cleaned up, we're getting this thing back together. We're getting the band back together. Get clocked.